Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Chicago, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we are talking about deck drainage and why water management deserves attention before, during, and after construction. Water can cause more long-term deck problems than many homeowners realize. It can lead to rot, shifting soil, loose posts, damaged framing, and slippery surfaces if it is not directed properly. The first area to look at is where water leaves the roof. Downspouts should not discharge directly beside deck posts, stairs, or the house foundation. When large amounts of water collect in one place, the soil can soften and move. That movement can affect patios, footings, and the lower areas around the deck. Next, consider the deck surface itself. On a standard wood or composite deck, water passes through the gaps between boards. That is normal. The space below should be designed to handle it. The soil should slope away from the house, and the area under the deck should not trap water against framing, posts, or the foundation. Composite decking from Fiberon can resist moisture on the surface better than traditional wood, but it does not make the deck fully waterproof. Water still travels through the board gaps. If you want a dry space beneath an elevated deck, you may need a dedicated underdeck drainage system or a full waterproof deck surface. You can reach our team at 312-262-7709 or visit toughdeckbuilderschicago.com to learn more about deck construction and drainage planning. Tough Deck Builders Chicago looks at water flow as part of the full outdoor structure, not as an afterthought. Stair landings and patio transitions are common places for drainage issues. If water pools at the bottom of stairs, that area can become muddy, slippery, or unstable. A patio should have proper base preparation and slope. A deck should have appropriate spacing, flashing, and structural connections that help manage moisture. Maintenance is also important. Clear leaves, dirt, and debris from deck gaps. Check for standing water after heavy rain. Keep mulch, soil, and plants from pressing against wood posts or framing. During spring snowmelt, look under the deck and around the house for water that is not moving away as it should. A deck does not need to be complicated to manage water well. It needs the right slope, the right connections, and a clear plan for where rain and meltwater will go. These basic details protect both the deck and the home. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Chicago. When water is managed properly, your deck, patio, and backyard renovation have a stronger foundation for long-term performance.